सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिट 4 के क्वेश्चंस। तो यूनिट 4 का क्वेश्चंस किस तरह का आ सकता है? गिव द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ रिव्यू इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल। सो रिव्यू प्रोसेस मॉडल फॉर प्रोजेक्ट मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल, ये क्या है? पहला है हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है कि व्हाट इज मीन बाय रिव्यू ऑफ वर्क प्रोडक्ट। सो इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मैकेनिज्म फॉर मॉनिटरिंग द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट एंड इंश्योरिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क प्रोडक्ट। मतलब हमें प्रोजेक्ट का प्रोग्रेस देखना है और जब हम प्रोग्रेस को मॉनिटरिंग करेंगे तभी हम पता चलेगा कि हाँ प्रोजेक्ट इज एज पर द क्वालिटी और नॉट। एंड टेस्टिंग इज एन इफेक्टिव डिफेक्ट रिमूवल मैकेनिज्म। तो जब भी हम टेस्टिंग करते हैं तो अगर कोड में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या फिर हमारा जो रिव्यू लेते हैं हम प्रोडक्ट का, तो प्रोडक्ट में अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो वो टेस्टिंग के टाइम पे हमें पता चल जाएगा। सो बेसिकली बेनिफिट्स क्या है? A cost-effective defect removal mechanism. Review usually helps to identify any deviation from standards. Reviewers suggest a way to improve the product. Then review meetings often provide learning opportunity, not only for the reviewers but for everyone, that what is the product and how it is to be, what are the defects, everything can be discussed. Then the review participants can gain a lot of understanding of the work product. Now, what are the reviewer role? There is a moderator, recorder, and reviewer. And basically, the review process is first we go for planning, then preparation, then review meeting, and finally follow-ups. Now, next question is on change control. तो ये मैंने already discuss किया हुआ है। फिर एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ फिक्स प्राइस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ये भी मैंने डिस्कस कर लिया था पिछले वीडियो में। फिर एक्सप्लेन द स्टेटस ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट प्लेसमेंट। तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेड है इसका मतलब है कि वो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है, तो ये भी मैंने डिस्कस कर लिया था। And write a note on ethical and professional concerns as a member of any organization. तो ये भी एक important question है। ethical and professional concerns मतलब कि ethics related to moral obligation, मतलब ethics मतलब हमारी जो moral responsibility होती है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करता है। तो responsibility that everyone has, responsibility that the people in organization have, and relating to our professional calling और ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एथिक्स। तो ये सारी जो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है इसको हम एथिक्स बोलते हैं। देन देयर इज अ स्टेक होल्डर theory that employs duty is to the owners of the business. That means what we should do, and competitive relationship between businesses. So if suppose there are two businesses, they are for having a competitive relationship, so we can say that our product is good, but we are not allowed to say that the other person's product is not good. Okay, so that is ethics. Then comes the exercise. Identify some of the possible obligations and criticisms that can be made of the stakeholder. Business ethics, professional ethics. That means professions have knowledge about technical domain that the general public do not. An ethical duty of the expert to warn lay people to the risk involved in a particular course of action. So this is all concerned with ethics. Then explain Taylor's model of motivation. Taylor's model of motivation was in factories and mines working with manual worker. So basically it says that instruct in the best method involved breaking down a manual task into its components, activities, identify the best way of carrying out those activities, and then teaching the workers to copy the approved method. This can be treating the worker as little better than the other way of working. The individual workers were encouraged to maximize output by paying them piece rates. And then unit processed. And then one difficulty with this is the workers learn that increasing output can in fact lead to price rate being adjusted in downward direction. Now Taylor put forward the idea of workers and motivated mainly by paying his theory of scientific management. So it says that workers do not naturally enjoy work, so need close supervision and control. Therefore, managers should break down production into series of small tasks. Then workers should then be given appropriate training. Then workers are then paid according to the number of items produced. As a result, workers are encouraged to work hard and workers given one repetitive task so that they can become master of it. Managers should give orders and closely control the workers. Workers should be paid as per the items produced. So these are the methods in which the efficiency can be improved. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you.